Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the start number for invoices and quotes in Xero. This is incredibly useful when you want to customize your invoice numbering system to match your business needs or maintain consistency across your accounting documents. First, open your browser and navigate to Xero.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. If you're new to Xero, you can start a free trial to get access to all the features we'll be working with today. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your accounting tasks. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main navigation menu at the top of the screen, as this is where we'll be accessing the tools needed to adjust your invoice numbering. Now look toward the top of your screen and click on Sales in the main navigation menu. This section handles everything related to your sales transactions and invoicing. When you click it, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Sales Settings. This is where all the configuration options for your sales processes live. Within the Sales Settings area, you'll see a list of different options available. Click on Invoice Settings from this list. This specific section controls how your invoices are formatted and numbered, making it the perfect place to customize your starting numbers. Under the Invoice Settings page, look for a button labeled Default Settings and click on it. This opens up the core configuration options that apply to all your invoices and quotes moving forward. A default settings window will now appear on your screen. Here, you'll need to locate the Automatic Sequencing section. This is the area that controls the numbering system for all your financial documents in Xero. In the Automatic Sequencing section, you'll see fields for invoice, credit note, purchase order, and quote. Each of these fields allows you to adjust the prefix and starting number. Go ahead and customize the prefix for each field according to your preference. For example, you might want invoices to start with invoice followed by a specific number, or quotes to begin with, QT, and so on. This flexibility lets you create a numbering system that makes sense for your business operations. Once you've adjusted all the prefixes and starting numbers to your liking, click on Save. This will apply your changes across Xero, and all future invoices and quotes will follow your new numbering sequence. And there you have it, you've successfully customized your invoice and quote numbering in Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.